Hello again. I just wanted to do a quick video on this wall snap railing storage system that I bought. I really like it. It's done a lot for my garage. If you're like me, I have a two-car garage and storage is really at a premium here. What I bought was this Haus Brand. It's a set, and I bought two of the sets, and that worked out pretty good because I wanted to put this stuff up a lot of places. I got it at Sam's Club. I think you can get it at Amazon as well. Now, the nice thing about this is it comes with a lot of attachments, which is great, but you can also buy more at Walmart. So it's the exact same as the Hyper Tough brand. So if you can't find the Haus brand, you can just go to Walmart and buy the Hyper Tough one. It's really the exact same thing from what I can tell. But it comes with a lot of great attachments, like the weed whacker is fantastic. I could never figure out where to put that. I have my pole saw up there. Got the blower off the ground, some miscellaneous ladder stuff. You can even do bikes on these, which is nice. Doesn't work the best for my garage just because of how limited the space is. But I put these up just to kind of show you guys for the video. And I got my power washer, so everything's off the floor, which is really nice. Now I also, this was one part of my garage. Beautiful weather out, as you can see. I also put this up along the side of my garage, which worked out great. As you can see, I got two big ladders that I got off the ground, all the snow shovels and things like that, and all the regular shovels and brushes and rakes and things like that. I didn't have to buy any extra attachments. Everything, I had enough with the two kits that I bought, but I'd really recommend it. It was a fantastic idea for at least my garage. And putting it up's super easy. These are two 4-foot sections that are put together, and you can see it comes with some screws. As long as they're going into studs, you don't need any wall anchors or anything like that. So all you really need for this job is a power drill and a stud finder. And you can do this maybe a level too. I like things to be level. That's all I used, and it went up really great. It's super strong, and you can see how much weight is on this. This ladder here is super heavy. It's got to be like 60, 70 pounds. So yeah, no complaints. Really enjoy it. Got a ton of stuff off the floor of my garage. All this stuff was pretty much just stacked up before. So it looks really neat, organized, and it's super handy because I always know where my stuff is. So yeah, if you have any questions, just send a question below, and I'll see if I can answer it. I'll try to find the link to the Haus kit as well and post it on there. See you next time.